Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best cordless vacuums of 2025, the models that deliver the strongest suction, smartest features, and the best overall value this year. Whether you're tackling pet hair, deep carpet cleaning, or quick everyday messes, these cordless vacuums are the top performers you'll want to consider. I'll break down the key features, real-world performance, and why each one made the list. And if you want to check out any of these vacuums for yourself, you'll find all the product links conveniently listed in the description below. Let's jump right into the lineup. 5. Bissell PowerClean FurGuard. Meet the ultimate pet-friendly cleaning powerhouse, designed so no pet hair is left behind. With a mighty 280-watt motor and innovative fur finder headlights, this vacuum reveals and removes hidden fur, fine dust, and debris from every corner of your home. Enjoy up to 50 minutes of cordless cleaning, effortlessly switching between stick, handheld, and high-reach modes. It outperforms the competition too, eliminating up to 95% of embedded pet hair 2 times faster on couches, chairs, stairs, and even car interiors. The FurGuard self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair wrap on strands up to 16 inches, keeping performance strong on all surfaces. Plus, its self-standing design makes charging and mid-clean breaks amazingly convenient. With a HEPA-sealed allergen system, you can breathe easier as dust stays trapped where it belongs. And for even deeper cleaning, the integrated crevice tool and fur finder tool help you tackle every hard-to-reach spot. This is the all-in-one cleaning solution your pet-loving home has been waiting for. 4. LEVOIT Anti-Tangle Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Experience powerful, convenient cleaning with this lightweight vacuum designed for quick pickups and whole home versatility. Its ultralight build makes it easy to carry from room to room, while multiple attachments let you clean floors, furniture, and hard-to-reach spots with ease. The tangle-resistant roller is engineered to pick up more hair, human or pet, without constant cleaning. And the 5-stage filtration system helps trap dust, dander, and allergens, making it a great choice for homes with pets. Enjoy up to 50 minutes of runtime for extended cleaning sessions. And when you're done, the detachable washable roller and filters make maintenance effortless. With a one-click, easy empty dustbin and smart 2-in-1 tools for crevices and pet care, this vacuum delivers a smooth, hassle-free cleaning experience every time. 3. Dyson V8 Plus. Experience powerful, versatile cleaning with this lightweight cordless vacuum designed for every corner of your home. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction or an intense burst in max mode while switching effortlessly from a full-size vacuum to a handheld cleaner for cars, stairs, and upholstery. With 3 smart attachments, a convenient wall dock, and charger, you can tackle messes high, low, and everywhere in between. The motor bar cleaner head delivers deep cleaning on all floor types and automatically detangles long hair and pet hair as you clean. Choose between 2 power modes, Everyday Powerful Mode or Max Mode for stubborn spots. Its advanced whole machine filtration captures 99.99% of microscopic particles, releasing cleaner air back into your home. Built with durable, lightweight materials and backed by a 2-year limited warranty, plus personalized support through the My Dyson app. The included hair screw tool efficiently removes long hair and pet hair from pet beds, car seats, and more. Ships partially charged. Remember to fully charge before first use. 2. Dyson V11 Origin Experience. Powerful whole home cleaning with the Dyson V11 cordless vacuum. Engineered for versatility, durability, and deep clean results. With 60% more power and up to 60 minutes of fade-free runtime, this cordless powerhouse adapts to every task using 3 intelligent power modes: Auto for everyday cleaning, Eco for extended sessions, and Boost for tough messes. The LCD screen keeps you informed with real-time runtime, maintenance alerts, and mode selection. Its motor bar cleaner head tackles all floor types while automatically detangling long hair and pet hair. Convert it instantly into a handheld to clean cars, stairs, furniture, and tight spaces, using tools like the crevice tool, mini soft dusting brush, and the hair screw tool, designed for rapid, tangle-free hair pickup. Advanced whole machine filtration captures 99.99% of microscopic particles, releasing cleaner air back into your home. Built from strong, lightweight materials and backed by a 2-year limited warranty, plus lifetime Dyson support, The Dyson V11 delivers uncompromising performance wherever you need it. 1. Shark iX141. Experience next-level cleaning power with the Shark cordless vacuum, designed to tackle everyday messes and high-traffic areas with hypervelocity suction that delivers exceptional performance on any surface. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of runtime to clean your entire home, while the floor-to-carpet versatility and bristle brush roll ensure deep, consistent results. Transform your cleaning routine with the removable hand vac, perfect for above-floor dusting, pet hair, and tight spaces using the included pet multi-tool and crevice tool. Navigate effortlessly with LED headlights that reveal hidden debris, and clean more with the XL Dust Cup featuring a clean touch dirt ejector for quick, hands-free disposal. Its low-profile design reaches under furniture with ease, and freestanding storage keeps everything tidy when you're done. This all-in-one cleaning powerhouse includes the cordless vacuum, crevice tool, and pet multi-tool, everything you need for a cleaner, fresher home. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best cordless vacuums of 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next review. All the vacuums we talked about today, along with the best deals and updated prices, are linked for you down in the description box. Feel free to check them out and compare the specs for yourself. Got questions or have a favorite vacuum we didn't mention? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.